chatbots are transforming businesses, education, and software development. In this complete guide, you will learn how to build your own AI chatbot using Python and OpenAI. Even if you are starting from zero, I will guide you step by step. By the end of this video, you will have a working chatbot, a web interface, and deployment knowledge. In this video, we'll go through environment setup, Python coding, and final deployment. It's a complete roadmap for your success. An AI chatbot is software that understands natural language and responds intelligently. Modern chatbots use large language models trained on massive datasets. They power customer support, study assistance, coding tools, and business automation. We will build a Python backend using Flask. User messages go to OpenAI. Responses come back to our interface. This architecture ensures security and scalability. First, install Python. Create your project folder and then install the required packages using pip. We'll need OpenAI, Flask, and Python.env. Python handles logic, Flask serves the app, and OpenAI provides the intelligence. Create an OpenAI account and generate your API key. Crucially, we will store this key inside a .env file to keep it secure. Never share your key or push it to public repositories. Let's build a beautiful web interface. We'll create the HTML structure and use JavaScript to send messages to our backend. By the end of this section, your chatbot will be fully functional in the browser. Practice daily, build projects, and share your work on GitHub and LinkedIn. Remember, skills beat certificates. If this guide helped you, subscribe and comment below on what chatbot you're going to build.